Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys seen in my last video, I am SEMA approved. My M2 competition will be at SEMA this year and I couldn't be more grateful. I'm so excited, like I was explaining in my last video. I always wanted to go to SEMA and I just can't believe it's happening. But anyway, it's time to start making my car look less stock. I told myself when I got this car I'm gonna be a lot more conservative. I'm not gonna go crazy wide. I'm not gonna put a huge obnoxious spoiler on there. I'm just gonna do a nice clean track look. But the tables have turned and I've given in and it's time to start making my car look a little more crazier without going wide body. So yeah guys, so today we're gonna head over to Impressive Wrap and possibly look at some colors. So yeah, for me a color change is a must. I want the car to really stand out. I want it to look its best. I know I can stay with the Alpine White and it'll still get the job done, but that's just not gonna satisfy me and that's just not how I want it to be. So I'm gonna go to Impressive Wrap right now, check out some colors and see what they think, and then we'll get to installing the GTS wing. It shouldn't be that hard. I've seen a few videos online where they've done an install. I know it does require drilling into my trunk, but we should be okay as long as we do the proper measurements, everything should go well. So yeah guys, let's get on with the day. So when I first introduced the M2 to the channel, this is the actual spoiler it came with. This is an OEM trunk lip from BMW, but it looks like I might have to put this on because the GTS style wing doesn't have huge mounts. And I know I can upgrade the mounts to maybe like the RKP style ones, but I don't want to go that high. I don't want it to be that high. I kind of want to have like that GTS inspired low kick, you know, wing. So I think I might put this on. We'll go outside and I'll show you guys what I mean and how high my current kick on my spoiler is, and it's just not going to work with it. So we're probably going to take that one off and put this one on today, and then we'll mock up the GTS wing to it and see how it looks. Just got some snacks, some water, letting the car warm up. We're gonna head over to Impressive Wrap right now to check out some colors. Let's go. So I just got here and I'm looking at some Avery colors. They offer a bunch of cool colors. I'm not too sure if I want to do like a satin finish or possibly do a gloss finish. They even have like sparkle finishes in there I was looking at. But honestly, I'm a big fan of the way gloss looks, and I think that's what I'm probably gonna end up doing. This is a pretty nice blue. I've always been a fan of green, so I don't know. There's a lot of possibilities in here. And then we got the 3M. 3M offers a lot of cool colors as well. And honestly, one of my favorite colors is satin black, but I feel like that's just played out. Let me see if I can find it in here. Satin. Here's the satin. Let's see. Here it is right here. I don't know, something about satin black just looks so good. It's nice and stealthy, but I think that'll be too plain. So I was even thinking something like a Nardo gray, but that is just completely played out. So I don't know guys, we'll see. Yellows and baby blues might be just too bright for me. Red looks really good as well too, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, we'll see what we end up going with guys.
3 hours later.
So Abraham just pulled up guys. We're gonna be doing some work on his car. Let me show you guys. So he's gonna be deleting the fog lights and doing a reflective delete, and then we're actually gonna be painting this gloss black because the delete he got is already gloss black, so we wanted to match. But we gotta take this whole bumper off because we want to do it right. Should be pretty simple. I've taken this bumper off so many times when I had the F30. Damn, got that MST intake. Shout out. Damn, cutting it close, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Where's the thing at? Yeah, it should be under there. Yeah, see, I really like these colors, bro. Your calipers are like, the color's on point. Damn, bro, you're slammed now. Damn, look at that fitment though. That shit is on point. Psych. So we're just taking the middle grill off. It's kind of a pain in the ass to be honest, but I don't know if any of you guys ever moved the top grills on your F30, but these could be a pain in the ass sometimes. So these are very similar to that. It's gonna look so much better painted. You guys can see the finish now is like just a black plastic. Gloss looks always better. These are gloss and that's plastic. We gotta clean this first. It already looks gloss now that it's clean. So we're gonna primer it first, and then we're gonna spray this motherfucker down. Earlier I helped turn the wheel and I just revved the car a little bit, and just hearing this B58 engine made me kind of miss it. Honestly, this is definitely hands down one of the best engines made by BMW. It sounds so good, and the power you can get from it is just insane. So I love my S55 now, but this just sounds crazy. This is Weenie and Guibi. Enzo. My papas. So we just finished doing both, guys, and it looks so good. Dude, honestly, it's gonna give your front end like a whole new look. You're gonna like it a lot. This side's done, that side's done. We're outside just painting the middle. Put it back together, it's gonna look so good. So we just finished doing the final spray down on the grill. And you guys can see how glossy it looks already. It looks so good. It's gonna match the fog delete so well. So if you guys have plastic ones and you guys want to do this upgrade, this is super easy and simple.
The next day.
Alright guys, like I was mentioning in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna have to remove my high kick trunk clip because it does sit too high in my opinion. It doesn't look well with the GTS wing. I think it'll look too busy right here. So I'm gonna put the OEM one back on. It is a lot lower kick and I think it's gonna look a lot nicer. It's gonna have the nice little carbon accent in the bottom with the GTS wing on top. I know I can leave this one on and get higher mounts for the GTS wing, but I don't want to do that. I kind of like the lowness of the actual GTS wing, so it'd be a perfect combo with that and the OEM performance trunk clip. So we're gonna start by taking this one off. So here it is, guys, the GTS wing I'll be installing today. It looks so nice. I can't wait to put it on. I'm so hyped. The rear end's gonna look so much different. So here's all the hardware it comes with. These are the clamps. I'm not too sure what these exactly are. We'll figure out today as we go along with the install. This is all the hardware, all the bolts. It has these beautiful brackets. I love this finish. I wanted to do like a matte black or like a gloss black finish, but we ended up going with these and it looks so nice. You can check out right there, BMW. So yeah, these are so nice. I'm happy I went with this color. I think it's gonna look well with the white. And then we got the carbon fiber end plates. They look so good. This is all real carbon fiber. This is not fake. If you guys are watching this video and you guys want to put this GTS wing on your car, whether it be an M2 or an M4, let me know. Send me a message. All the links will be in the description. We'll see how it goes today with the install. Let's get up close to the carbon fiber so you guys can see. It looks really good. The weave is so nice. These are where the brackets mount to, obviously. There's one on each side and then connects to those. And then I'm assuming all these are gonna go under the trunk. So right now we're just gonna take this truck under panel off so we can get access underneath. So we just gotta remove all these bolts around it. We just finished pinning the end plates on. Now we're gonna put the mounts. So right now we're trying to figure out how these brackets go and how they work. But I think Abraham is getting it down. We're just looking at some pictures online, trying to figure it out. He's trying to figure it out too. You guys can see. So on M4, it looks like these are positioned more right here and you're able to mount that bracket to it. But for them too, obviously, it's way over here at the edge, so I'm not too sure how that's gonna work. So we're referring to this picture on the BMW website. The arms are over here on the M2, but the arms are right here on the M4. I don't have that, guys, so it looks like mine might have to be some custom work done to make it work. So if I don't end up doing the way it's supposed to be, don't hate me. We're just gonna make sure it's stable and it doesn't move or anything. As long as it's done and it's secure, that's all that matters.
So this bracket is for the, this goes in here. From the actual hinge on the M4.
So it would sit on the side of that?
So, no, it goes inside and then that goes screwed into the two bolts.
Because the M4 hinges is like a square, yeah. So it almost would hug that.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to use that, huh?
I don't think so.
I don't even know if we're gonna be able to use the bracket at all, to be honest.
I think we will be. Because you need something to support it.
Double-sided tape? So yeah, guys, I think we're just gonna put double-sided tape right here and call it a day. And just say a prayer.
3 hours later.
Está al revés, güey.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Anthony. Tripping out, bro. You're so excited.
That's what I told you, bro. That's the fuck.
Oh, now we gotta use this, right? Carinas. Huh? Yeah. Okay guys, literally hours later, we figured out how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna end up using this bracket to go on these little circle things. Like I showed you guys in the beginning what came with the kit, but we're not gonna end up using these and this part. So we're not gonna be using these two because it's for an M4 and we don't have the mounts for the trunk that go up right here. We made it work, so I'm happy with the results. Dude, we have Abraham using this tool. But yeah guys, the wing is finally on. It was a pain in the ass, to be honest. Like I said, this wing is not meant for this car, but we made it work, so I'm happy with the way it looks. We're gonna put the trunk lip on after to finish it off, and that should be it. Let me know what you guys think. So we're just gonna put this back on. Abraham literally saved the fucking day. Quick view on how it looks. It's on there secure. Got the AA Concepts logo on there. We're gonna put the trunk lip on after, and we'll show you guys at the end. All right guys, like I said, it was kind of a pain in the ass to install that. I didn't think it was gonna be that hard, but we finally did it. We're gonna head over to the car wash right now, get the car cleaned up, because I sprayed so much Goo Gone getting the old trunk lip off, so it's just, there's drip stains all over my rear bumper. I'm gonna get it washed up, and then I'll show you guys some close up of the wing installed. Just got to the car wash. We're gonna wash our cars up. Like I said, I'll show you guys the wing after. This car's so loud. Turn it off. Got Abraham's car right here.